What's up, guys? So today, I'm so sorry. I need to pick this call. Like, just a minute. Hello, Kwajo. Hello, Yao. Now, what to say? Radia dumo me hoye. Now so eh. Oh, me so me hoye. Na ebusiafo no hoye. Kwajo, me nto kasa na papa o. Oh, sir. Afeye. Debi, wa homa no twetwasi. Mr. Ogina yi. Oh. Debi. Woni miri. Mi anka me be kira de on. Nti wo de ma me frɛ wo akiri. Why? Sir, I mefro. You mate. You mate minia. You. Bye. I'm so sorry. Okay, so today I want us to look at the most commonly used phrases over the phone. All right. So during phone conversations, there are certain phrases that we tend to use quite often, right? And today I want us to look at those in Twi. All right. So when your Twi-speaking friend, brother, sister, or loved one gives you a call, the phrases that we are going to cover in this lesson will prove useful. Coming right up. Welcome back. So if this is your first time here, my name is Yao, and here I help you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. You may want to support what I do by subscribing to the channel. And if you find any of my lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so like I said, we are looking at the most commonly used phrases over the phone. Okay, and we have quite a lot to cover, so let's just go ahead and start. And we are starting with frɛ. Okay, and this is the verb form. So the noun form of this is ɔfrɛ. Okay, so we just chipped in the nominal prefix o, and then it formed the noun out of the verb frɛ. Okay, so we have ɔfrɛ. Okay, so I can say frɛ me. Okay, frɛ me. So you know frɛ is call and me is me. Okay, so call me. Frɛ me. Okay, and I can also put this in a question form, so I can go like wo frɛ me. Okay, wo frɛ me. So we have wo, you, and then we have frɛ in the past tense form. Frɛ. Okay, and then me, Okay, so we have wo frɛ me. Okay, and I can also be specific about the time, so I can go like wo frɛ me nra. Okay, wo frɛ me nra. And in your response, you can go like ane me frɛ wo. Okay, or if you didn't call, you can go like Debbie Manfreo. Okay, and you can also be specific about the time, so you can go like ane me frɛ wo nra. Or Debbie Manfrɛ wo nnura. Dabi. Manfrɛ wo nnura. Dabi. Manfrɛ wo nnura. Okay? And if you want to promise a call thereof, you can go like mefrɛ wo. Mefrɛ wo. Mefrɛ wo. Okay? Mefrɛ wo. Or you can also be specific about the time. So you can go like mefrɛ wo kyena. Mefrɛ wo kyena. Mefrɛ wo kyena. Mefrɛ wo kyena. Or mefrɛ wo enwumre yi. Mefrɛ wo enwumre yi. Mefrɛ wo enwumre yi. Okay? Mefrɛ wo enwumre yi. Mefrɛ wo anadwo yi. Mefrɛ wo anadwo yi. Mefrɛ wo anadwo yi. Mefrɛ wo anadwo yi. Okay? Now, to ask someone to pick up a call, we say fa. 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 Okay? So I can go like mefrɛ wo a fa. Mefrɛ wo a fa. Mefrɛ wo a fa. Alright? Mefrɛ wo a fa. And if someone is refusing to pick up your calls, you can go like mefrɛ wo a womfa. Mefrɛ wo a womfa. Mefrɛ wo a womfa. Adɛn. Hwan nie. Hwan nie. Hwan nie. Hwan nie. Okay? And in response to this, you go like yaw nie. Yaw nie. Yaw nie. Yaw nie. Alright? So you just put in your name and that's it. So Kwadwo nie. Kwadwo nie. Kwabena nie. Kwabena nie. Ya nie. Ya nie. And if the person who picked the call doesn't know you, okay, so let's say you are calling after someone and somebody else picks up the phone, okay, then the person can ask you, wo hyehyɛ hwan? Okay, wo hyehyɛ hwan? Wo hyehyɛ hwan? Wo hyehyɛ hwan? Okay, so we have wo, you, okay, and then we have re, which is the progressive marker. Okay, so the progressive tense marker. So this corresponds to ing in English. Okay, so ing as in dancing, singing, drumming. Okay, so you have re as the progressive marker, and then we have hyehyɛ. Okay, and hyehyɛ is actually a reduplicated form of the verb hyɛ. Okay, so hyɛ means to look. Okay, so when you reduplicate it, when you double it to hyehyɛ, then you are saying something like look for or keep looking. Okay, and then we have hwan, which is whom in this context. Okay, so it's like you are looking for whom. Okay, you are looking for whom. Okay, wo hyehyɛ hwan. Wo hyehyɛ hwan. Wo hyehyɛ hwan. Now, in response to this, you go like me hyehyɛ. Me hyehyɛ. Okay, me hyehyɛ, and then whomever it is that you're looking for, just add to this. Okay, so you can go like me hyehyɛ Kwadwo. Me hyehyɛ Abena. Me hyehyɛ ama, mehwehwe yaw. Or you can also go like, metumi ne yaw akasa. Metumi ne yaw akasa. Metumi ne yaw akasa. Metumi ne abena akasa. Metumi ne kwabena akasa. Metumi ne akwasi akasa. Okay? And then the person can respond, wepie, 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 wepie. Okay? And I'm actually saying wepie instead of wepue because that is what we tend to say often. Okay? Although we write wepue, we tend to say wepie. Okay? Wepie. So to go out, to exit is pue. Okay, we write pue, but we tend to say pie. Okay, so we go like wepie, wepie, wepie. Okay, or oniho, 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 oniho. Or maybe the person at the other side of the phone is actually the person that you're looking for. Alright? Maybe you just missed the voice. So in that case, the person will go like, Akosia na kasei. Akosia na kasei. Akosia na kasei. Okay? Akosia na kasei. Or yaw ne kasei. Yaw ne kasei. Okay? Yaw na kasei. Okay? Joseph na kasei. Joseph na kasei. Okay? Kwabena na kasei. Kwabena na kasei. Alright? Akosia woho. Akosia woho. Akosia woho. Alright? Akosia woho. Okay? So we have ho, which is there. Okay? And the opposite of that is here, which is ha. Okay? So we have ho there, ha here. So akosia woho. Okay, akosia woho. And in response to this, you can go like, ane owo ha. Okay, ane owo ha. Ane owo ha. So we just said that ha is here, right? So we have ane owo ha. Ane owo ha. Or Debbie oni ha. Debbie oni ha. Okay? Debbie oni ha. Alright? Debbie oni ha. Okay? Or even Debbie oni ho. Debbie oni ho. Debbie oniho. Okay? Debbie oniho. Wode nkra beja. Wode nkra beja. Wode nkra beja. Wode nkra beja. Okay? Now, how do we say hello in Twi? Alright? So while we have words like ago and even who, okay, which translates as hello within certain contexts, okay, not always, but within certain contexts, these do not fit in phone conversation settings. Okay, they don't. So you don't hear anybody pick up a phone and go like ago or who, okay? And by the way, ago, when we say ago, we use ago to sort of announce our presence. Okay, so if you are visiting someone and you get to the door and you are knocking, you could go like ago, okay, to announce your presence. And if the person is around, he or she would respond ame, okay, ame, ame, okay. So this fits in that context. As well as if you are walking in town, for instance, and there are people in front of you, okay, and you want to go past them. Maybe you are in a hurry, okay. So you say ago to announce your presence and to ask them to give you way, okay. So once you say ago, the people will just part and then you can go past them, okay. And also in a gathering, okay, or meetings, all right. So like family meetings or gatherings at the palace, okay. So when people are seated and you rise to talk, maybe people's attention aren't there at the moment, okay. So once you go like ago, you sort of draw their attention to the meeting as well as indicate to them your intention to speak, okay. So ago sort of fits within these and other contexts, but not during phone conversations, no, okay. And then we have who, okay, who, and who is specific to the farm, okay. So the forest, the bush, the woods, okay. So when you go with someone like a friend to the farm or the forest, okay, and maybe the friend goes his way to do something at the other side of the bush, okay, and it's time to leave, or you are trying to find the person, and those days we weren't really using phones, okay. So the only way to signal the person as to where you are, okay, and also find out where he or she is to use who, okay. So you go like who, and then wherever he is or she is, he or she would also respond who, okay, and then you know where he or she is, and then you get together and leave, okay. So that's the context under which we use who, okay. But we are doing phone conversations, so neither of these works here, okay. We don't use who, neither do we use ago in the context of phone conversations, okay. So what do we use then? We use hello, 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 okay, hello. So this is like the borrowed form of the English one, hello, okay. So in Ghana, when people pick up the phone, and even when they intend to speak Twi, so when they're about to speak Twi, they will still go like hello, okay. Everybody does that. It's hello, okay, before the Twi follows. Okay, so it's hello, hello, hello. Wote menka, wote menka, wote menka, right? Wote menka, or wote me kasa, wote me kasa, wote me kasa, okay. Wote me kasa. And in response to this, you can go like ane mete, ane mete, okay. Ane mete. So te is to hear, right? So me, I hear, okay. Ane mete, okay. And if you can't hear, you would say Debbie mente, Debbie mente, Debbie mente, Okay, so all that we introduced here is the negative marker in the middle. Okay, so we have me, I, we have te, which is here, right, to here, and then we have the as the negative marker. So mente, I cannot hear. Okay, mente. So debi, mente, debi, mente. Or ane, mete wonka, ane, mete wonka, ane, mete wonka. Or debi, mente wonka, debi, mente wonka, debi, mente wonka. Ane, mete wokasa, ane, mete wokasa, ane, mete wokasa. Or debi, mente wokasa, debi, mente wokasa, debi, mente wokasa. Okay, ahoma no twitwa si, ahoma no twitwa si. Okay, ahoma no twitwa si, ahoma no twitwa si. Okay, so we have ahoma, which is line, rope, string. Okay, so we have ahoma as line, so ahoma no, the line, right? And then we have re. You already know re, right? So re is the progressive marker, which corresponds to ing in English, right? We looked at that, right? Okay, and then we have chicha, and chicha is the reduplicated form of the verb cha. Okay, so when we say cha, cha is to cut. Okay, so when we double that, we get chicha, which means you keep cutting. Okay, so you are on, you keep cutting. Okay, so when we say chicha si, it's like it cuts and breaks. Okay, so it keeps cutting. Okay, so the line keeps cutting. Ahoma no chicha si, ahoma no chicha si, ahoma no chicha si. Okay, so I can say wahoma no chicha si, wahoma no chicha si, wahoma no chicha si. Okay, so if your line is breaking and I can't hear you, then I can ask you to position yourself well. Okay, so to do that, we say jina ye, jina ye, jina ye. Okay, so jina is to stand, and then ye is well, so it's like stand well, right? Jina ye, jina ye, jina ye. Next we have jina so, jina so, jina so. Okay, jina so. And I can also say jina so sima, jina so sima, jina so sima. So we have sima as minute. Okay, so jina so sima, jina so sima, jina so sima. Okay, and to say goodbye over the phone, we would mostly say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Okay, or the short form bye, bye, bye. All right, and these are obviously borrowed. Okay, so like borrowed forms, all right? Or we'll go like etchery, 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 okay? Etchery. So etchery literally means the back, okay? So my back is mechi, right? So in this context, we say etchery to mean later, okay? Etchery, etchery. All right, so this is where we end today's lesson. I hope it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.